Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share my experience of visiting the amazing Ellora Caves near Dawlatabad. So many people visit this place, but very few notice the details. Most people come here to take photos and enjoy the beautiful view, but not many know the fascinating history behind these caves. During my visit, I noticed many interesting things and I learned some amazing facts that I would like to share with you. So, this Ellora Caves is one of India's most incredible heritage site and is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Imagine standing in front of giant caves that were carved from solid rock more than 1,000 years ago. Sounds unbelievable, right? So there are a total of 34 caves here and they belong to three different religions. Buddhist caves, Hindu caves and Jain caves. So what impressed me the most was that all three religions exist together in one place. Nowadays, even family members sometimes have a disagreements, but centuries ago, people of different faiths walked side by side and created something extraordinary. This shows the harmony and mutual respect that existed at that time. Among all the caves, the most famous one is cave number 16, also known as the Kailash Temple. So when I first saw it, I was completely amazed. This entire temple was carved from a single rock and is considered the largest monolithic rock cut temple in the world. The most surprising part is that it was a curve from the top bottom, not built from the bottom up like most temples. Just imagine the planning skill and hard work required to create such a masterpiece without modern machines. As I explored the temple, I noticed beautiful carvings everywhere. Many of these carvings tell stories from Mahabharata. It almost like reading a storybook made of a stone. And another thing that many visitors miss in the ancient colors inside some of the caves. So most people focus only on the sculptures and carvings, but if you look carefully, you can still find traces of old paintings on the walls and ceilings. So these paintings help create a calm atmosphere for meditation and spiritual practices. Even after hundred of years, some of these colors are still visible today, which is truly amazing. So for me, Ellora caves are much more than just a cave. They are a combination of history, art, spirituality, and incredible engineering. Every wall, every carving, and every cave has its own story to tell. Even after more than 1,000 years, these stories continue to inspire people from around the world. So, if you are interested in history, ancient architecture, or hidden stories from the past, I highly recommend visiting Ellora Caves at least once. And if you would like to understand the history in more detail, you can also hire a local guide during your visit. They can explain many interesting stories and facts that you might otherwise miss. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.